There's raw chicken on the counter. These are the swabs that they use for DHEC to grade restaurants with. Purple is dirty and green is clean. That one will turn purple. This is the wet envirocloth with just water. I've wiped it up. This is the chicken side of the cloth right here. So there's your dirty one, and there's your clean one where it cleaned up the contaminants. Now I'm going to take this cloth where the chicken juice is on the top. I'm going to wipe it right there. And we'll do one more swab. And it stayed green for clean. It did not transfer bacteria. That's it.
Very good.